be stingy on the... Wow, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Super simple cinnamon rolls. Decadent. Great thing to make in the breakfast. We'll put pepperoni and cheese in them and have them as a savory treat. So I've got my dough, and I want my dough to be in the shape of a rectangle. I want my dough in the shape of a rectangle. So that's how I'm going to work it. So I've got a rectangle. Now what I'm going to do is straighten her out a little bit more by hand. Cooper, come on. And then we're going to start putting the good stuff in there. So we got butter, sugar, cinnamon, dough. All I'm going to do with this butter is I'm going to coat the dough with the butter, and do not be bashful. Now I take sugar. Once again, don't be bashful on the sugar. This is just pizza dough, so there's very little sugar in it already. So you got to make it sweet. And the way I make it sweet is by putting a whole lot of sugar in there. And then you put your cinnamon. Once again, don't be shy. But you remember how good cinnamon sugar toast tasted growing up? So I'm covering this whole thing. You can see it. As I'm just covering this whole thing with cinnamon. And what you do is you just take and start to roll it. And roll. And stuff's going to come out the sides a little bit. That's okay though. Alright, y'all. So there is our log. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take and put this on a sheet tray and let it rise a little bit more. But here's what it looks like. Here we go. So we've got it rolled up. So now we're going to cut it into little individual cinnamon rolls, and we're going to put them into this round cake pan. And first what we need to do is make sure we spray our cake pan, or put butter in the bottom of it, which actually, let's do butter. Just take and cut these into about pieces about that size, and look how they look. They're going to be so cool. That's the center one that everybody wants. Don't be stingy on the... Wow, y'all.